What is AVINOC? Aviation. One of the most important and growing industries in the world. Without aviation, there is no business, no travel. Aviation industry divided into the sectors airline and cargo, business aviation, and private aviation. Value. Aviation industry's contribution to the global economy amounts to $1.8 trillion per year. That is about 2% of the world's GDP. Blockchain. One of the main building blocks for realizing our vision is the use of blockchain technology. Token. The fuel we use to power our blockchain solutions is our own AVINOC token, an ERC20 token, listed on Uniswap.
AVINOC focuses its business on digitalization, aviation and blockchain, and is working on improving and modernizing the business aviation industry. AVINOC is currently developing the first digital marketplace in BizAv based on blockchain technology. The project is called VU. Want to learn more about the project? I will talk about that in a moment later in this material, so keep watching until the end.
Where can I get AVINOC token?
You can buy and sell the AVINOC token on Uniswap. Simply connect your MetaMask wallet with the exchange and start swapping. In addition, you can act as liquidity provider and increase your profits. Please note that Uniswap is based on Ethereum blockchain technology, and you will have to pay gas fees in ETH.
Can I trade my AVINOC token on other crypto exchange platforms?
At the moment you can buy and sell the AVINOC token on Uniswap. Starting from 2022, you will be able to manage your AVINOC token through the ZENIQ app and Smart Chain as well. Additional exchange platforms will be Latacan and Gate.io.
Where are my AVINOC token?
If you have already bought AVINOC token or received them at the airdrop, they should be in your private wallet. We do not have any access to this wallet. All token distributed at the airdrop were sent to the individual private wallet addresses.
Who is behind AVINOC?
AVINOC is a team of specialists from all relevant fields: aviation, financial management, blockchain and software development. Our dedicated European development team is working on realizing our vision to revolutionize BizAv.
What is this partnership with ZENIQ?
AVINOC is the first real project which will be available on the ZENIQ Smart Chain. Through ZENIQ you can buy and stake your AVINOC token. Already bought AVINOC token through at blockchain can be traded on Uniswap. Need more information about ZENIQ?
What is VOO?
AVINOC is developing VU, the first digital marketplace based on blockchain technology. A revolutionary software to search, book, manage and pay for your private jet flights directly. VU is being developed in Europe and will be launched in Q2 2020. Want to know more about the project and its progress? Visit vu.aero.
What is tokenization?
Within the context of blockchain technology, tokenization is the process of converting and dividing something of value, real estate or a digital project, or, as with AVINOC, a business enterprise, into small parts digital token that can be used on a blockchain application, and that allow many people to be a part. I invite you to watch the material in which we explain to you what tokenization is, what can be tokenized, and how tokenization will affect our lives. Remember to click subscribe and the bell on the right to stay up to date with information from the world of ZENIQ. And have you heard about our community in AVINOC's partner project on the ZENIQ blockchain? Do you want to join us? Sign up for the program and earn money with us. You can find the referral link under this video in the description. Let's go.